Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making some fried chicken. I'm going to show you how to make a fried drumstick. So let's get right into it. We're going to need some chicken. Now I have 2 chicken sticks here, but if you want more, just get more chicken. It's really up to you. And we're also going to need a knife and cutting board. If you want to cut your chicken up into pieces, you can do that now, or you can fry the whole thing like I'm about to show you. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your chicken and you're going to wash it thoroughly under some cold water. After washing your chicken, pat it dry with some paper towels and then go ahead and put it on your cutting board. Now if you're not comfortable cutting up chicken, you can always buy pre-cut chicken at your local grocery store. But for this recipe, I'm going to be frying the whole chicken drumstick. After you cut your chicken into desired pieces, go ahead and set it off to the side. And now we're going to move on to our next ingredient, which is our potatoes. For this recipe, we are going to be making mashed potatoes. So go ahead and peel your potatoes. Now I'll show you guys 2 different ways of doing this. You can either use a peeler, a vegetable peeler, to peel your potatoes, or you can actually just cut the skin off with a knife. Personally, I like to use a knife because it's just a little bit quicker for me. So go ahead and cut off the potato skin with your knife. Then once you cut off all the skin, go ahead and put the potatoes in a pot and cover them with water. Go ahead and add a little bit of salt to the water and bring it to a boil. Once the water starts boiling, go ahead and turn the heat down to low and let those potatoes simmer until they are tender. While the potatoes are simmering, go ahead and get some butter. We're going to need some butter for the mashed potatoes, and we're also going to need some milk. Go ahead and put half a cup of butter in a microwave-safe bowl and then put half a cup of milk in there with the butter. Now we're going to microwave this for about 1 to 2 minutes or until the butter is completely dissolved, and then we're going to set this off to the side. Once the potatoes are tender, drain the water from the potatoes and then put the potatoes in a bowl. Now we're going to mash the potatoes with a potato masher. So go ahead and get yourself a potato masher. I got mine from Walmart. And then go ahead and start mashing those potatoes. While you're mashing the potatoes, slowly mix in that butter and milk mixture that we just made earlier. Continue to mash the potatoes until they are smooth and creamy. And then once they are smooth and creamy, go ahead and season with some salt and pepper to taste. And then we're going to set these potatoes off to the side while we go work on the chicken. Now we're going to go ahead and get some chicken seasoning. I got this right here. It's just some Creole seasoning that I got from the store. It's a little bit spicy, but it's really good. So go ahead and take your chicken and start rubbing it with the Creole seasoning. Make sure you get both sides well seasoned. After you seasoned your chicken, go ahead and let it sit for about 15 minutes. The reason why we're letting the chicken sit is because we're going to be frying it in a couple minutes and we want the seasoning to really stick to the chicken. While the chicken is sitting, go ahead and get a large skillet. Now I'm using an 8-quart Dutch oven, but you can use a large skillet. And then go ahead and pour about 3 to 4 cups of oil in the skillet. Now you want to put that oil on high heat. We're going to be frying the chicken, and we want that oil to be smoking hot before we put the chicken in the skillet. So once the oil is smoking hot, go ahead and put the chicken in the skillet. Now you want to cook the chicken for about 6 to 7 minutes on each side, or until the chicken is golden brown and cooked through. Once the chicken is cooked through, we're going to take it out the skillet and put it on a wire rack to drain. Now we're going to serve the fried chicken with the mashed potatoes, and this right here is what the finished result should look like. And it's really good. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you guys next time.